What's up guys, it's Eli at Shine Division Detailing, currently wrapping up a paint correction service on this Ford Transit. This is a vehicle that came in with a ton of defects in the paint. You can see in the before shots here, there are some deeper defects. What happened here is someone tried to do a paint correction service when they didn't know what they were doing, and they actually made the matter worse. A paint correction service is great to remove those traditional swirls, those spiderweb marks, light scratches and defects from the paint. And also in cases like this where defects are a little bit deeper, I have options to go there as well. Any paint correction service is going to include a thorough exterior detail and thorough decontamination of the paint to make sure all impurities, dirt and grime are removed from the paint. That will ensure a clean correction process, and most popular is a two-stage paint correction. That's going to eliminate usually 80 to 100% of the defects in the paint, and I do have options to upgrade that correction in cases like this to get the result that you'll see here in the paint. For this vehicle in particular, I was able to remove about 90% of the defects through the paint with a three-stage correction service. You can see in the final result, it's completely night and day. Brought back the color, clarity, removed defects, and then protect it with a ceramic coating, which is highly recommended when you do a paint correction service. If you have a vehicle new or old that you're looking to remove defects and enhance the paint significantly, a paint correction service may be right for you. Come by the shop and get a consult, or pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll be happy to get you on the schedule.